2012 Economics Past Question, question number 28. Use the information below to answer questions 28. The investment expenditure of an economy changes by 2 million naira. 2 million naira, and MPC is 0.5. Now our MPC, which is marginal propensity to consume, which is marginal propensity to consume, is equals to changes in consumption over changes in income. Change in consumption over change in income. So MPC is equals to get our change in income. Our change in income is equals to 2 million naira times 0.75, which is equals to 1.5 million. Option B is the right answer. Thank you, and please subscribe for more past questions.